Welcome to Honey Forex. This channel is dedicated to professional trading education, where we explain how experienced traders analyze markets, manage risk, and make disciplined decisions using institutional concepts.
Hello my dear friends, how are you? This is our daily chart of gold. Today our analysis about gold chart. So look, here are all setups. You know already because our team don't delete this. These are drawings, you know the breakout. We apply here Fibonacci high to low, and this is our 161 reversal zone of daily chart. But market not respect this area, so now market next target is 261 reversal zone of Fibonacci. We check this H4 and H1 chart. This is our H4 chart, look here. Resistance becomes support high, higher high, resistance becomes support high, higher high. Market has still showing bullish pressure, now 1 to 3 retested complete, so now again. Ready for bullish move. And this move will be possible $100 to $300 roundabout. First target is 200, and this is our major area of 261 Fibonacci 55 So we apply here Fibonacci here, also market again R1 61 reversal zone breakout and closing above. Now our next target is this today. So now we check H1 chart again. This is our H1 chart, look here, high, higher high again. Market diverges here in small time from M30, but not yet breakout high. So look here, we find here QM pattern. High, 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 low, lower, low. We convert in line chart, look. But as our team knowledge, this QM pattern will be not work because this is N. We check left side, not have any demand or base or order block area. But if we look here, resistance support really base really. So market. Our team expect market will break down this area and hunt the stop loss and then buy from in this area. This is our H4 chart target. And this is our H1 chart target. Because we apply here Fibonacci high to hello, and this is our major area, resistance becomes support high, higher high, low, lower low QM, and this is really base, really S and RSND. So remember this. Don't buy gold from here if you want to buy from here. So set the stop loss below the support area. But for good luck buy. As our team think market will make a drop, base drop and retest this area. When market break out this pattern, then we have good best opportunity for buy. We take entry buy from here, and our first target will be this area. And our second target will be this area. But we need confirmation first, so remember this. Because market have very dangerous position now. So remember this if you want to buy from here. So our stop loss will be below this support area. But then we for long entry. We need confirmation first, then we take long buy entry. Take care yourself.